Dear students, in this video, I am going to teach you revision questions related to the chapter alcohols, phenols and ethers. Let's start. Question number 1. Which is the best reagent? Best reagent to convert isopropyl alcohol to isopropyl bromide. Okay, this compound is isopropyl alcohol. Isopropyl alcohol. The product is isopropyl bromide. Okay, out of this 4 reagent, which reagent is the best reagent for this conversion? Okay, then first isopropyl alcohol, CH3 CH3 OH. Okay, 1 2 3 carbon propyl OH alcohol. Okay, then this alcohol is secondary alcohol because OH is attached with the CH. Okay, then 2 CH3 group is here, 1 2 CH3 group CHOH. So the alcohol is secondary alcohol. Okay, secondary alcohol with 3 carbon atoms are commonly known as isopropyl alcohol. So isopropyl alcohol is common name. Okay, common name. Okay, and what is IUPAC name of this compound? 1 2 3. So please by heart the IUPAC name. Propan, second position OH, propan-2-ol. Okay, starting material is propan-2-ol. Our common name is isopropyl alcohol. Okay, and this alcohol is secondary alcohol. Then product 1 2 3. Okay, then carbon is CH, Br is attached with the CH and 2 CH3 group. So this alkyl halide is secondary alkyl halide, alkyl bromide. Okay, and what is the common name of this compound? Isopropyl. 3 carbon propyl, then halogen is bromide. Okay, then alkyl halide is secondary alkyl halide with 3 carbon, commonly known as isopropyl bromide. IUPAC name is 1 2 3. Propyl and second position bromine, so 2 bromopropane. Second position bromine, 2 bromopropane is the IUPAC name. Okay, so instead of this question, okay, this form we can spell like this also. Which is the best reagent to convert, instead of isopropyl alcohol, propan-2-ol. Which is the best reagent to convert propan-2-ol to 2-bromopropane. Okay, both the questions are similar. Only difference is IUPAC and common name. Okay, now come to the answer. First we can take HBr. HBr, CH3 CH3 OH plus HBr. We are expecting reaction like this. Alcohol is secondary alcohol. Please understand this point. Alcohol is secondary alcohol. Okay, we are expecting reaction like this. OH H, then product is CH3 CH3 Br, water removed as a byproduct H2O. Okay, this is the expected product. But for this reaction, one more reagent is required, zinc chloride. Okay, if alcohol is secondary or primary for getting alkyl halide, one more reagent is required, zinc chloride. Zinc chloride acts as a dehydrating agent. Dehydrating agent. Okay, dehydrating agent means agent, a chemical which help to remove the water. Okay, water. Okay, and this is for primary and okay, for primary secondary alcohol for conversion into alkyl halide, zinc chloride is required. For tertiary alcohol case, HBr only is enough. The reason is tertiary alcohols are more reactive than secondary than primary. Okay, so for primary secondary case, along with the hydrogen halide HX, HCl or HBr, zinc chloride also required for conversion of alcohol to alkyl halide. So this option is wrong. HBr plus zinc chloride is required for secondary alcohol. For tertiary, only HBr is enough. Okay, primary, secondary, HBr plus zinc chloride is required, or HCl plus zinc chloride is required for conversion of alcohol to halide. Okay, and this HBr plus zinc chloride generally called Lucas reagent. Lucas reagent. Okay, and this reagent is used for conversion of primary, secondary alcohol to alkyl halide. For tertiary, only HBr is enough. Simple shaking with the HBr makes the product. What is the reason? Tertiary alcohol is more reactive than secondary or primary. Clear? Okay, and please note down here. Here only HBr is given. So for secondary alcohol, HBr alone is not a good reagent. Okay. Then one more thing. With the zinc chloride, product is alkyl halide plus water. There are two products, so product is not pure. Water is liquid. Product is not pure. There are two products. First, we need to remove water for getting the pure product. So the two reason makes problem here. So HBr is not a good reagent for secondary alcohol. HBr alone is not a good reagent for secondary alcohol. Okay, if zinc chloride is here, again one more problem. Byproduct water. Water is a liquid, so liquid plus alkyl halide. So we need to remove liquid for getting the pure alkyl halide. Okay, yes. Now we can discuss about second option, SOBr2. Okay. Okay, next is SOBr2. SOBr2. Okay, SOBr2. CH3, CH, CH3, OH, starting compound, plus SOBr2. Okay, SOBr2 we can write like this, SOBr. Okay, and this is only a shortcut and not the actual mechanism. Okay, please understand that. OSO, SO2. SO2 is a gas. Okay, SO2 is a gas. Okay, then H and Br. HBr is also gas. So OSO over HBr over. Now what is remaining? Br. Br, CH3, CH3, Br. Okay, isopropyl bromide plus SO2 plus HBr. And listen students, here SO2 and HBr are gases. Both the byproducts are gases. So these gases will escape from the product mixture. Okay, will escape from the product mixture. So finally what will get? Only isopropyl bromide, 100% pure form with SOBr2. But previous case plus water. So we need to separate water from this mixture for getting the pure alkyl halide. But this case, no need of any separation, directly SO2 HEPR escape from the product mixture because both the byproducts are gases. So among these four, the correct answer is SOBr2. SOBr2. Okay. Then Br2CH3 MgBr. Listen. With Br2, and listen, Br is no electronegativity difference, so less polarizable. So conversion of OH into Br is difficult with the Br2. So this reagent is not used for conversion of this reagent. Halogens are not used for conversion of OH into alkyl halide. Okay, then next is fourth option is CH3 MgBr. Okay, CH3 OH, a Grignard reagent. Okay, by using Grignard reagent, it's not possible to convert isopropyl alcohol into halide. This reaction is not possible. Okay, Grignard reagent is mainly used for, what is the purpose of Grignard reagent, students? Grignard reagent is used for the conversion of aldehyde or ketone to alcohol. Okay, alcohol. For conversion of aldehyde or ketone to alcohol, we can use Grignard reagent. Okay, not for conversion of alcohol into alkyl halide. So out of these four, only these two makes product. But for this case, secondary alcohol is less reactive compared to tertiary. Okay, so we need zinc chloride for getting the product. But in the option, zinc chloride is not mentioned. Okay, and second thing, with the zinc chloride, the product is water and alkyl halide. Okay, water is not gas, so we need to separate water from the product mixture. Okay, so this reagent is not a best reagent for the conversion, Okay, SOBr2 is the best one because we'll get a pure product. Okay, and one more point, HBr plus zinc chloride or HX plus zinc chloride called Lucas reagent. Please by heart this point. Okay,